Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in our today video we will be providing you the information about the scholarship provided by the All India Council for the Technical Education. It is a scholarship for the degree and the diploma holder students or of the first year. So it is basically for the first year students, and you will be get a stipend of 18,000 by this scholarship monthly, and uh, and this is a national scholarship. You can just go to their portal on the national student portal and just apply for the scholarship, and you can secure your position for this scholarship. And if you are new to our channel, just subscribe to our channel for getting these amazing updates. And we have participating in a challenge in which we will be completing 1K subscriber in just 2 months on the YouTube. So please provide love and support to our channel by just subscribing to our channel, and like the video and share to the video whom you know that he or she is studying in the first year and he will be needed of this scholarship. And let go to the scholarship detail. I will be provide the website link in the description. You will just go to that link and apply for the scholarship. So let's get started. As your name says, the name of the scholarship is the Young Achiever Scholarship Scheme 2024. So it is the scholarship for the first year batch from 2024 to 2025, and it is a 1 year scholarship. And there are 500 scholarship position, and whom there are 2,500 for the degree holder and 2,500 for the diploma holder. We will be telling you about how you can go and apply for that. Let's a deep introduction about the this scholarship, that it is a part of the National Education Policy 2024, and which encourage the student to excel in the civil, chemical, electrical, electronic and mechanical engineering. So it is basically for the engineering student. Let's discuss about the objective of this scholarship. So you can basically you will get a stipend by which you can pay your fees. So the main of this scholarship is to make the student financially capable, that he or she do not leave the college due to the financial problem. So it is a great opportunity. If you like this opportunity, just subscribe to our channel for getting this amazing update. Now for the year of commencement, that I have tell that it is be applicable for the first year for the academic year 2024 to 2025. So what are the eligible for this scholarship? The eligibility for this scholarship is very clear and crispy, that first year of a degree or diploma course in a IAICTE approved institution. Your institution should be approved by the All India Council of Technical Education. So now telling you about how the number of the scholarship. So there are 5,000 scholarship, about which 250 to 2,500 scholarship for the degree holder and 2,500 scholarship for the diploma holder. And you can see that there is a special point for the for the UT United States, that this scholarship will be distributed according to the Annex A and Annex B. Now, what is the amount of this scholarship? So, for the degree level student, the amount will be go 18,000 per annum. मतलब yearly you will get 18,000, that you will multiply with the 4, you will get the amount in the 4 year. And for the diploma level student, the amount will be 12,000 per year. Or if you multiply this for 3 years, that you will get 36,000 for the 3 year of the diploma. That is amazing update. Now, what is the mode of the payment? For the mode of payment, it will be direct benefit transfer mode. Just you have to give them the account number, and yearly they will give the amount directly to your bank. For the application, you can go to the National Scholarship portal, or for the direct registration, just click on this link. I will be provide this website link in the description. You can go and just apply to this. And what is the criteria of the selection? For the criteria of the selection, for the degree level student, the selection criteria will be based on the 12th grade qualification, and for the diploma level student, the criteria will be 10th grade qualification. Now, sometime there might be dispute between the two students having same eligibility, but how they will differ is that about the 12th mark sheet, the percentage of the marks in the 12th examination for the degree level student will be matter a lot. So you should get good marks in the 12th exam, and diploma. For the diploma, their 10th sheet marks will be matter. Now, for the reservation will be accordance with the respective state government policy. Now, for the renewables, so there are many students who have applied to this scholarship but doesn't get reply from selected for this scholarship. Now it is a great opportunity for those students. They can apply it back. So that scholarship can be renewable annually upon the submission of the passing certificate and mark sheet. And you can see. Now, for the gap between passing the qualification exam and the admission should not be exceed 2 years. That after the completion of your 10th and 12th, you should directly admitted to IAICTE certified college, or and the portal I have said that you can go to National Scholarship portal and apply for that. And these are the important update points. You can note it out. Now moving above. Now for the registration, just click on this National Scholarship portal, and you will be navigated to this. Just you have to create a fresh application, and you can log in to this their website and just apply for this, and comment to this video that how much the update beneficial for you and how you like this scholarship amount. And if you are a college student, you just subscribe to our channel. We are regular in updating yourself in the field of skill, or in the field of internship or job, in the field of scholarship or fellowship. So just subscribe to our channel, and repeating that we are participating in a challenge in which we will be completing 1K subscriber in just 2 months. So just subscribe to our channel for getting this amazing solution, and share this update to the friend who is looking for this scholarship, and he or she is in the first year of the he or she is in the first year of their college. And that is all for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Like the video and share the video and subscribe to our channel.